Viewers and subscribers, welcome back to the channel. You don't know, it's all about inside the back of the yard here. But trust me, I have a lot of lettuce sucker here. I have a lot of lettuce sucker here to replant. And a lot of sweet pepper sucker, as you can see here. Yeah, lettuce and sweet pepper. So right now, I need some space. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to back up the next part of the vineyard. I go back it up, back it up from animal. Because you don't know you have to back up before. Goat them leg all about. Yeah, so stick around. I'm going to get some old fridge. Yeah, go down by the pan, go look some old fridge to come back up here and do some backing up. Stick and stay. See what's coming next. So yes, my viewers, I don't know when it comes to plantation, anything you can find to make some backup, get rid of the animal them outside. Alright, you see all them zinc here, yeah. Old fridge, old stove, yeah. Yeah man, see a big old fridge here. See a big old fridge here. This would have done me well. Yeah. Give me a nice backup. Yeah. See a little one here. So you don't know it's all about get some old things, do some backup. Cause food have a plant. We have a big one here. See me have a big one here. Yeah man, me have a big one here. Yeah. So you don't know. I'm gonna move them. So one here, couple there. Yeah. See me have one around the corner there. Yeah man, the pan. Can see the animal them still a feed, I don't know. Alright, my viewers, I'm gonna draw them one. Yeah man, go for my plantation. There's no coconut up on a tree here. I have to climb it. Alright, my viewers, stick around. See what's coming next. Yes, my viewers, yeah, as you can see the plantation over that side. So these little bush back it off, you know, that's the goat them not come through. So right here, so now, yeah, I go back up here, so now have it all in one. So I go get some posts, run a line there, so if I can get 2 more fridge to put there, so yeah, one next one there, so one next one there, so go down the line. As you can see here, have a nice go back up here. So these fridge now going to full them with soil. Yeah, mix the soil and the sawdust. Yeah, and the goat doodle together. Put them inside here to go and burn. But before doing that, I'm going to cut some tree limb, put inside the bottom here. Yeah, just cut some tree limb, all type of tree limb here. Yeah, put into the bottom here to make a moisture. Bore some hole into it. I need to raise some fish. I was planning to raise some fish in one of these. I don't know which one yet, but I'm going to raise some fish in one of these. Because it seems like it can hold the water, so I'm going to raise some fish in one of these. Yeah, but the rest I'm going to fill them with water, with soil. I'm going to mix the soil with the sawdust and the goat doodle. Yeah, have them to plant something in. Yeah. Yeah, man. And inside here, so now, going to fork it up. That's I can plant something else inside here. It's all about farming. So the house is one side of it, you know. Yeah, the house is one side of the backing up. So I have to find something. I'm going to put a TV right here. I'm going to find a TV that can hold right there. Right about now. You know. Needs a TV guy, you know, so I can find a big TV. You know what I mean? Going through this, a little bush here. This is the other part of the plantation, so I don't know. It's gonna be all in one. I'm gonna weed out here when I back it around. As you can see here, I back it around good while now. Yeah. As you can see, me have a nice planting sucker. Look at this planting sucker here. Beautiful, don't it? Yeah man, nice planting sucker. Yeah, so this big TV here, I'm gonna put it right in between those fridge. Alright? Stick and stay. Yeah, as you can see, nice backing up. So from the side of the fencing, yeah, a little space in between here, because I can't leave no space, you know. Yeah. Yeah man. Can't leave no space. Yeah. Can't leave no space. So me have that end covered right across. Come down halfway here. So this other half I need to get some more fridge, but going back, you know, a little bit tired now, but going back. So I'm going to dig some hole behind these fridge here. Dig some holes to run some posts. So when I run some posts now, on the top of each fridge, up the top here, I get some zinc to back it up. Back it up right down the line so nothing can come in. I plant this piece of tree limb here, tree trunk here, yeah, just for the corner, you know. Yeah, man, I'm gonna do the same for the here. Drive some posts, run some stick across, and then zinc it off. That's the animal them don't come up. Yeah, and then I can weed away here, the partition here for the next part of the farm. Yeah, man, so nice little spot, you know. And me have some fridge you can full up with dirt to plant back my lettuce sucker and my pepper sucker. Yeah. Alright, that fridge is kinda down little. This fridge is kinda down little, so I'm gonna tilt it back up, get it level. Yeah. So me do my thing. That is the reason why my name is Ever Slick, you know what I mean? Stick and stay. Alright, before I do some backing up, I need to choose which one of this fridge to raise the fish in. Yeah. This one look much longer. So I'm gonna raise the fish in this side here. So I'm going to pull out the bottom, pull out that part here and see if there's any holes there, you know, and caulk it up before. Don't want to full it of water and then after something go wrong and the water leak out. You know what I mean? So I'm gonna pull out this part here. Yeah. Yeah. Right. Need to get this thing out. Oh, I never screw this up. Oh, this guy gonna screw. God, this is a screw. Right, this is not a screw. Seems like this part is not screw. I just want to see if any hole. Alright, stick around me people. Show you what they got. This one I give me some fight, my people. I wanna give me some fight and I have to go plant in this one. Yeah, I have to choose this one to raise the fish in. Yeah, I don't know, it's all about raising fish. The fish dodo and the fish water is very powerful, you know, to water the plants. Yeah man, so alright. I have to pull out here. Yeah, just to make sure no hole. Alright. Hole is there. Hole is there, my people. Hole is there. I have to get some silicone. I have to get some silicone. I don't know if around here I have any hole, but I have to get some silicone. Yeah. This is so heavy. This is so heavy, my viewers. Seems like here is a partition. If I can cut it out. If I cut it out, it'll go leak. Yeah. Just leave it at that. Just leave it at that. Yeah. seems like I have to use this one to raise the fish. Yep. So I can raise a set inside here. And then I have a set. I have a next set in here. Yeah, man. Right, that's right there. Yes, my viewers, this is all about tuna. Tuna. Yeah, we call it tuna here, but you don't know it's all about cactus. Yeah, man, cactus. This thing is good to wash your hair, you know what I mean? You can blend it with Simple Bible. Yeah, paste it in your hair, let it stay for a while. You know, it's good for your skin also. Yeah, man. These fruit on it can also eat, you know. Yeah, but don't really know about it when it's ripe, you know. That it's all about tuna, but the real name for it is cactus. Yeah, there's a lot of young one here. Yeah, doesn't matter how dry the time is, cactus. Yeah, man. Cactus. Doesn't matter how dry the time is. Cactus. Alright, stick around.
This is tuna.
Right.
Tuna. Good for your back.
Yeah.
Tuna.
And jelly water.
Jelly water and tuna.
Yeah.
My viewers, whether jelly or water or regular water, my viewers, tuna is very important.
Yeah, man.
Morning, noon, and evening.
Yeah.
Build up sperm count. Make Jack get more heavier.
Yes.
Make Jack get broader. Make Jack get longer. I'm leaving.
Alright. Alright, if you want. That is the broad and long, man. Alright. So don't forget to like, share, and to subscribe to the channel. Alright. See you. It's all about time for my corn them, you know, to do some work. So this is what going on with my corn. It's about 12 feet in the air. Don't know why it's so tall, but it started to show the blossom up top there. And I guess there is a corn pushing out somewhere, as you can see. Yeah. So you don't know. It's all about my corn. Look at this one over here. Show you from the root. You see how tall it is? Don't know why them so tall. Because them underneath the tree. So they much stretch to reach the tree, you know? The height of the tree. Yeah. Yeah, man. It's all about Jamaican farmers, alright?